People who've been injured in a Ventura County car crash often make a number of fundamental mistakes that end up harming their case. They don't know they're doing it, but they do. What are some of the common mistakes that you can avoid? Well, let's just run through some of them. First of all, if you've been in a crash and you feel like you've been injured, you should go and get immediate treatment. Even though you don't have any broken bones, you're not bleeding profusely, if you feel pain and discomfort at the scene, you need to go to the ER or to a quick care and get properly evaluated to make sure that you don't have any injuries that are unknown to you or that could be life-threatening or that could get substantially worse over time. You got to get checked out right away. So don't be afraid to take the ambulance ride or have somebody take you to the ER and get checked out. One of the next crucial mistakes people make is they don't get evidence at the scene. They don't take a lot of pictures of the cars and all of the damage. They may take one or two pictures, and then when you look at them, you can't tell what they are. But people take a million selfies of their sandwich that they had for lunch. Take as many pictures of the cars and the debris and everything there that you can to fully document what happened. The next thing that people will often do is talk to the insurance adjuster and give them a bunch of information in a recorded statement where you just think that you're being honest and truthful and helpful. But the way that those insurance adjusters ask the questions are to benefit them and not to benefit you. Before you ever give a recorded statement, you should talk to an attorney and get appropriate legal advice. Another mistake that people commonly make is this. They don't tell their doctors what all of their injuries are. They will think, oh, my main problem is that I've got a really stiff and sore neck. My lower back hurts a little bit, but I'm not so concerned about that. I'm just going to tell them about my neck. You got to tell your doctors every injury, every symptom, because guess what? When that major pain in your neck goes away and your lower back pain never goes away and you find out that that is really your main injury, if you've never documented it, the insurance company's never going to consider it. So you have to go from head to toe, tell them all of the injuries that you had. Next, another major mistake, not complying with your doctor's orders and going to your doctor's appointments. If the doctor says you need to have repeat or follow-up visits, you got to keep your doctor's appointments. You got to do what your doctor says. The other thing is you need to document how your injuries are affecting you on a daily basis. What things you could normally do that you can no longer do. Because if your case goes into litigation and it takes a long time, you may think right now, I'm never going to forget this. But 2 years, 3 years from now, it's not going to be as clear in your head as it is right now. So keep some notes. Finally, if you have any questions, before you do anything, before you talk to the insurance company, what you need to do is talk to a skilled and experienced personal injury trial lawyer. So if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you have an insurance company that's calling and hounding you and you don't know what to do, give me a call. I will be glad to talk to you. I will answer your questions, and we will see what you need to do to protect your interests.